Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will see how can you turn off your HDR on Roku Smart TV. So here's a fix for your picture settings, HDMI mode and SDR. Method 1. Disable HDR through TV settings. Step 1. Press the home button on your Roku remote. Step 2. Go to settings. Step 3. Select TV picture settings or display type. Step 4. Look for HDR or HDR mode or picture mode. Step 5. Turn HDR off if the option is available. Method 2. Change the display type. Step 1. Press home on the Roku remote. Step 2. Go to settings, select display type. Step 3. Select a non-HDR option such as 1080 pixel TV or 4K TV. Step 4. Confirm the change. Method 3. Disable HDR on the connected device. If you are using a streaming device, game console or PC, follow the below steps. Step 1. Open the device display settings. Step 2. Turn HDR off. Step 3. Restart the device if needed. That's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment and also do hit the subscribe button.